There we go. So just as you're passing there, left mirror, left indicator. Why do we check the left mirror first? Any idea?
There's cars coming to the that side.
Just in case there's a motorbike or something. Especially if you're on the inside lane and you want to move to the outside lane. Road. Let's give me a typical roundabout, okay? Right, there's one there. See? Roundabout. Okay. So, car. This is us. We're going straight ahead at the roundabout. Yeah? Second exit, okay? That's the first exit, the first one on the left, the first one we come to. The second exit straight ahead. What lane do we approach in? We're down here.
Outside.
So, is it the left or the right?
Left.
That's it. So we're approaching the left, yeah? Unless, right then, there's always a what if, isn't there? Yeah? Let me just bear with me a second. Item. Now then, I'm just going to move the car out of the way. Road signs or arrows say otherwise, okay?
Yeah.
So what I've done is I've just put the arrows on the floor. I'm going to move the arrows out the way. No arrows on the floor, then we approach in the left. If there is arrows on the floor telling us to use the right hand lane, then we use the right hand lane. I bet you that's back to front on the camera, do you reckon? Yeah. So if we're going straight ahead of that, we're in the right hand lane because there's road markings telling us to use the right hand lane. If they're not there,
yeah.
Which lane do we use to go straight ahead?
The inside lane, is it?
Okay, put your finger on the car.
Yeah.
Put it into the correct position for going straight ahead.
So I'm going.
No, just before that line.
Yeah.
What position? If we're going straight ahead, second exit.
Yeah.
Do we approach in the left lane or the right lane?
We're going straight ahead.
That's
the
it.
outside
Left
one,
lane.
So left
Yeah?
lane,
Yeah.
outside.
And then we stay in the left all the way around, and just as we're passing the entrance, the exit, before the one we want, we need to tell everybody we're coming off on the next available exit, okay?
Yeah.
But we have to check that left mirror first,
Yes.
okay? So it's left mirror, left indicator, halfway round, just as you're passing there, to tell people we're coming off on the next available exit, okay? And just double tap that, and I go, no, not signal right, signal left. Yeah. There we go. So just as you're passing there, left mirror, left indicator. Why do we check the left mirror first? Any idea?
There's cars coming to the that side.
Just in case there's a motorbike or something. Especially if you're on the inside lane and you want to move to the outside lane, you must check that mirror first, because we can't move over if there's already somebody there.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's one lane, one car. Yeah. Not one lane, two cars. That doesn't work. Okay. Yeah. So as you're halfway around, yeah, left mirror, left indicator. Yeah. Just to tell people we're coming off on the next available exit. Now then, we're going to go and do those big roundabouts again. Do you feel comfortable enough to do them?
I hope so.
Right, okay, check that over there. We still recording? Oh yeah, we have 40 minutes and my battery's nearly gone. Not to worry. Right then, any questions?
Right. Okay. I think when I come up with more questions, I'm gonna ask you later, but I can't seem to think
the thing is remembering, isn't it?
I feel like it's like when I get there, it's like
then
the questions start flowing in when
So approaching roundabouts, really, we've got to slow it down before we get to the roundabout, okay? So see this distance, you see where that white line starts in the middle of the road over there, okay? That's about, what, 3 to 4 car lengths. So you see that centre white line, yeah? That's roughly 3 to 4 car lengths. So you need to be, okay, below 20 miles an hour in second gear with the clutch back up on 90% of roundabouts, yeah? That distance before that line, the giveaway line, where you're looking to the right that one last time, yeah? So we need to prepare the speed and the gear before we get there.
Yeah.
But the speed you need before you need it. Somebody phoning me, not a chance on earth. Right then, how does the windscreen wipers work again? Can you remember?
Like use the windscreen
Right
wipers
then,
on this
turn
car
the steering wheel that way a little bit, just so we
Yeah.
can see that. See that stick over there?
Yeah.
That's it. Push it up towards the. No, I beg your pardon, towards the floor.
Okay.
That's it. So
Yeah.
it went down 3 clicks, I think. Yeah. So up 1 click for me. It's quite gentle. Yeah. Now up 1 click again. We went up 2 clicks. Yeah. That's it. That's 1 click. So that's occasional wipe. Down 1 click again. Gentle with it. You're not cutting firewood in the back garden now, you know. Yeah, with a big axe. Okay, it's nice. She's a princess, remember. Yeah? Treat her like a princess, and she won't bite you in the bum.